Start the new year in this great home, in the Carman-Ainsworth School District. This nearly 1,300 square feet, 3-bedroom ranch home, is located in convenient location on the west side of Flint Township. The home has been well maintained by the original owners, since 1964. Packed with great features and updates such as vinyl siding, Lennox forced air furnace and central air, oak kitchen cabinets, 20 by 15 3-season room, family room with gas fireplace and stone hearth, master bath with jetted tub, hardwood floors under most of the carpeted rooms, and a finished basement. The newer kitchen appliances, plus the washer and dryer come with the home. The home has a finished 2-car garage with opener and paved driveway, a fenced-in backyard with large storage shed, and public water and sewer. Don't let this great home get away. Don't be the buyer that should have. Call today for your personal tour.